Spokane, 928-2406, or Coeur d'Alene at 665-99.
Want to give everyone an idea of what the wind is like here today. I've got two hands on the wheel, so don't think I'm being unsafe. It's just crazy. It's they're saying gusts up to 70 miles an hour, and I can believe it. Walking to my car was an experience, and as you can see, well, you can't tell right here, but as you saw earlier, with the leaves blowing around in circles, it's just crazy. Crazy wind. Look at these trees in the background. This is just nuts.